Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. App updated, permission prompts accepted, and your device location set. Open Ephemeris and immediately choose or enter your observatory coordinates. This ensures accurate rise/set and transit times. Once done, pick the time standard you prefer, UTC versus local, and the celestial object catalog, default star list, or custom entries. Make sure to enable background updates so the app fetches orbital elements automatically. Now you'll configure a specific observation. Tap the object selector and search or add by array/deck. You can import TLEs or ephemeris files for precise tracking. Next, set your observation time range and time zone, then scrub the timeline slider to preview events. Once you see a promising window, enable plotting modes, Alt-Az and array/deck, to visualize motion and identify optimal viewing angles. Also activate visibility filters, so you only get events above your minimum elevation, and during nautical, finish by saving the observation session and exporting events to your calendar or CSV so you have a checklist. Set reminders for rise, transit, and set. Switch to live tracking when you're in the field. The compass and AR overlay guide you to the target in real time. If you notice event times off or a missing satellite, first verify your device location and selected time standard, then refresh TLEs or ephemeris data. That single refresh resolves most timing discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.